In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Substack reader so you can easily catch up on all your favorite newsletters and articles. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser and head over to substack.com. This is the home base for all things Substack, where you can manage subscriptions, discover new reads, and keep track of all your favorite content creators. Now, once you're on the Substack homepage, you'll want to log in to access your personal reader. You have a few options here. Substack makes it really simple by allowing you to log in using your email, Google, or Apple account. If you choose to log in with your email, you'll enter your email address and then receive a one-time code to gain access. If you go with the Google or Apple option, it's as easy as a few clicks and you're in. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Substack homepage. Direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen and click on Home. This is your primary hub where you can browse through various posts. Substack organizes your posts by categories that are neatly displayed at the top, making it simple and convenient to navigate through articles that interest you. Here, you can explore different content, scroll through your subscriptions, and enjoy the variety of posts available to you. Substack really does a great job of curating content across numerous categories. So whether you're into tech news, culture, or creative writing, there's something here for everyone. If you're someone who loves to discover new voices, this is where you'll find them. A handy tip: you can also browse public posts even if you're not logged in. This is great if you want to check out what Substack has to offer before creating an account, or if you just want to quickly read through a few articles on the go. Whether you're utilizing your personal reader or browsing the public posts without logging in, Substack's platform is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring a smooth reading experience. That wraps up our guide on logging into your Substack reader. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel confident navigating Substack to make the most out of its vast content offerings. Happy reading, and don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.